This community leaves a lot to be desired when it comes to security. But at least they have an open-door policy.
Dude, I know what you're thinking. Commune at a bank. Yeah, that's right. We're occupying this joint. We let some agents hang out here too, as long as they're cool. They told me they were keeping tabs on the Rikers on Wall Street. They left some notes here, somewhere.
Looks like the agents did their research. They've mapped the compound inside and out. Let's act on this ASAP. The sooner we've got a line on Dragov. He's leading a group of Rikers that took over Wall Street.
This ain't gonna be a cakewalk. Dragov protects them like their family, and they've been stockpiling weapons and supplies for months.
Oh, great family he's got. Thieves and murderers.
Not much different than his previous family, if you ask me.
You're coming up on Dragov's outer perimeter. Remember, you're only here for Dragov. But if you find his supply depot, raid it. Denying Dragov that stockpile will also deny Keener crucial support.
Be careful. I still don't like the idea of throwing little wolves, no matter how much we want Dragov for his role in the City Hall attack. Deploying drag!
I hear gunfire. Report.
The loading area by Broad Street is under attack. It's the division.
Sell the gate. Use the APC. Do not let them raid the stockpile.
Grenade!
Damn it!
More of them coming!
Protect that stockpile. Duchess, I need you to see to it personally.
On it!
Grenade out!
Get that stockpile, Agent. Everything you take from them is something they can't send to Keener.
Fuckers are in Keener supplies. I don't care what it takes. Take them out!
Breaching to the stockpile now.
Hostiles drawing near. Hostiles incoming. Hostiles approaching. Hostiles incoming.
What the? Sneaky fuckers! Grenade!
Hostiles drawing near.
Tango down!
Hostiles incoming.
lost. No response from Duchess.
Fuck! They killed Duchess? I want them dead! Asshole sucker!
God damn it!
Hostile forces incoming.
Reloading! Get up! Let's fuck shit up!
You're dead!
Tango down!
Hostiles nearby.
Grenade out! Move on that hostile!
You're weak.
Regroup at the APC and load it up. It's time to take back control.
Careful, Agent. Take your time. You don't need to rush this.
Grenade! Ha! Got him! Get him! No way!
Yeah, it's a good thing this APC can take a beating.
No!
Fuck me! It's too hot here! Ugh. Coming apart! Fucking kill these assholes already! Fuck!
I wish I had a feed of Dragov's face as you tear his house down around him.
These motherfuckers are the same people who killed Barrett. We gonna let them go? This is our family. Our house. Show these fuckers the door.
Dragov is holed up in the exchange, but it looks like it's locked down tight. You might be able to gain access from the scaffolding across the street.
Throw your grenade! Jesus! Nail the bastard!
Blow this shit! Let's fuck him up!
Take this! getting up. There's no damn way! Oh! What the hell?
Division's heading towards the exchange.
Hold them off. I'll strap up and deal with this personally. Ron, Knuckles, you're with me.
Unknown network detected.
These bastards have killed your brothers, murdered your sisters, imprisoned you and your family. Are you gonna take that? Did we take this place and throw these rich bastards out of Wall Street for nothing? Then show the division that they can't touch us. Show me what you're made of.
Damn, you see that shot?
It's time. The division's reign of terror ends here and now.
Let's get them, boys. Time to put these
Where did they come from?
down. We can do this.
I'm blind! Eat this! Holy hell! mother! Take this!
Rogue. Shade tech detected. Rogue agent deceased. Rogue shade skill acquired.
Great work, Agent. Dragov is down. But we still need to find out where he was moving those supplies for Keener.
I'll follow up with Rhodes and see if we can find a lead.
Agent, Benitez looked into Riker's activity and found something interesting.
I've got a line of... One of our patrols caught sight of Rikers carrying crates in that direction.
We don't have the manpower to secure the pier, but we can't let Keener get those supplies. Guess that's our play for now.
I don't care who you have to step on along the way. Get this done.
Hostile broadcast picked up.
Dragovs are clipped.
Throw your grenade! God damn it!
Immediate medical assistance needed.
Target down! Grenade! You don't leave that many people guarding an empty building. The Rikers are here for something.
Recent aerial footage shows some chemical spillage on the east side and some Rikers activity on the north. This may be related to Keener's bioweapon.
They're too close! Scope them both. We'll get to the bottom of this.
Aerosol chemical equipment detected.
Throwing back! What the?
destroyed. Exothermic reaction initiated. Chemical pressure released. Nearby echo detected.
Ain't exactly Vex-6, but it'll do.
No, it won't. This mixture isn't providing the correct dispersal under pressure.
We're following your instructions. If you need a different chemical ratio, then you need to provide it. None of these guys are chemists.
That's not what their records say.
Fuck off with that shit.
My instructions have gone through rigorous testing. Your guys can't follow them, and get me someone can.
Fuck! Get that reaction under control!
It's not stopping!
Then dump it, you useless fuck!
Looks like you're running a real quality operation here, Dragov.
Go fuck yourself.
Hate to break in on this little party, but I finished some more analysis of Isaac's data from the Wall Street compound. It's not good. Use cases include aerosol dispersal mechanisms and cultures for growing viruses.
Dragov's helping Keener with his bioweapon. We need to shut this whole operation down. Agent, secure the north side of that pier. Any supplies the Rikers were prepping to send need to go up in smoke. Do not, I repeat, do not let the Rikers get those supplies off the dock.
Grenade! God damn it! Gotta fall back! How the hell? Damn it!
Fuel pump detected. Fuel pump activated.
I like the way you think, Agent. When that barge is flooded with fuel, it'll be gone in no time.
Throwing frag! It'll all be
Solid work there, Agent. We've just put a large dent in Keener's bioweapon production. He may believe he's got this wrapped up, but he's got another thing coming.
I'm not so sure. He's had plenty of time to work on this. We may need some outside help, but for now, this is a big win for us.
Rogue agent, deceased.
Dragov was a big player in Lower Manhattan. He rallied the Rikers under one banner again and hoarded an abundance of supplies. He's gonna leave a power vacuum behind, and that's something we can exploit.
I'll send in a squad to retrieve the chemicals at the pier. Securing them is a win, but who knows how much Dragov has already provided to Keener.
Faye, it's Kelso. Any new leads on Keener?
Well, I've managed to track some of his comms with the other targets. We can at least confirm that he's still in New York. But the signal's been bouncing between so many relays that it's impossible to pin